Welcome to another episode of Paddleboard Places. Today we're coming to you from Rogers Park.
Weeki Wachee Springs.
We did this a year ago, but we went from the Weeki
Wachee State Park down.
And now we're going from Rogers Park up against the current. And it's, I don't know, a couple of miles before you get into anything we saw a year ago.
It's a paddle up.
Current's coming against us. And we're going to work.
It'll be a nice ride back. We're excited.
What are we going to show them today?
We are going to show you where to park. We're going to show you how much it costs. We're going to show you where you're going to go, what you're going to see.
Yep. So whether you're in a kayak or a paddleboard, come with us. We're going to have a good day.
And we'll answer all your questions.
And look how beautiful that water is. It's going to be awesome.
Rogers Park and Weeki Wachee Springs are northwest of Tampa. Take Highway 597 to get there. Up to Rogers Park. Turning left here. There's a pay station. It's $10. Okay, we got a little sticker to put in our car, a little paper. There are restrooms and a little park. And there's a little beach area. Looks like there's rentals across the way there.
Okay, so Rogers Park launching is really easy. They have this whole canoe, kayak, paddleboard ramp that you go down. And you get right in the water right here. The water's calm and it's a pretty day. Okay, gotta say the launch at Rogers Park, pretty darn easy, huh? It's great. And if it's busy there, you could come to this dock. You do say it's a bit of a manatee area. We're excited about that. We're going upriver for a little bit, and then we're gonna have a leisurely trip back. So here we go. Okay, checking out this fish right here. He's just hanging out with me. He's big. Very quiet, pretty day. Cool little bird kind of drying himself off. That's not a little bird. He's probably 4 feet tall. Pretty spot. Elson's showing you how clear it is down there. Look at this, how amazing. Peaceful, quiet, tropical. Okay, we found a good resting spot where the water is really shallow. It's up to our calves, and it's just been fun.
Fun swimming hole.
You got swimming off the side. You can stand up here and take a picture. And love this kind of curved part of the river. Where you get Okay, we made the turn, and now we're going with the current. And I think I've paddled once in the last 5 minutes, so had to turn around and go. But this is the fun part, where you get to just, you get to watch the whole thing, and you don't really have to do much but steer, really, because this thing will take you down, flying down the river. Love all the down trees and everything in here. You'll just be amazed at the variety We heard the manatees were out at Weeki Wachee, and we found one. Okay, so we're just loving the show being put on by this manatee. He's just hanging out. It's like he wanted to say hi. And they're so cool, so gentle, so fun. Okay, now he's putting on a show. He's doing a loop-de-loop. We supposed to scratch his belly when he rolls over like that? Yeah.
You having fun, hun? You like the downstream better than the upstream? Yeah, burned some good calories today. All that good food we've been eating in Florida. Every corner just gets prettier and prettier. All right, we are about to the end here where we started. We went up about 2 miles, came back, and much easier coming down. We saw a manatee, a turtle. We gave Rogers Park perfect 10s all the way around. You are gonna love it. It's a different experience than launching at Weeki Wachee State Park. Have fun.
Okay, so that was Rogers Park in Weeki Wachee Springs. Great place.
We started at the end and went up.
2 miles, took us an hour and a half against the current, right?
Yep.
And then back 15-20 minutes. Current's just fast and strong.
It's nice. It was a bit of a workout going up, I won't lie. But we have a plane to catch tonight, so that's why we couldn't go the whole distance.
We're
Otherwise
off to
we
more-
would have packed a lunch and kept on going.
Yeah, we're off to more Paddleboard Places locations coming soon.
Coming soon. Be
Yep.
sure to like and subscribe.
And until next time, everyone, keep paddling.